Good morning, students. Okay, another problem in polynomials lesson. Find the remainder when f of x equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4 is divided by g of x equal to x minus 2. Verify the result by actual division. Okay, how to find out the remainder with the help of the remainder theorem, and you verify that result by actual division. Okay, so f of x is the polynomial is divided by x minus 2. Okay, then the remainder, by the remainder theorem we have to find out the 0 of the polynomial of x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2. So instead of x you have to substitute 2. Okay, what is the remainder theorem? Okay, if one of the polynomial f of x is divisible by x minus 2, then the remainder is f of 2. Okay, so with the help of the remainder theorem, you have to find out the remainder first and verify the result by actual division. So you verify the result whether it is right or wrong, both are same or not. You check by actual division. Okay, so first one, solution. If f of x is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder is f of 2 by remainder theorem. Okay, what is the remainder theorem? One polynomial is divisible by another polynomial, then the remainder is 0 of the polynomial of the divisor. That means here 0 of the polynomial of x minus 2 is 2. So instead of x you have to substitute 2. So f of 2 is the remainder. So you have to find f of 2 value. Instead of x you have to substitute 2 power 4 minus 3 into 2 square plus 4, that equal to 2 power 4. 2 power 4 means 2 is multiplied by 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 power 4 is equal to 16. 16 minus 2 square 4. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12 and plus 4. So 16 plus 4 totally 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12 equal to 8. So by the remainder theorem, the remainder is 8. Okay, so what is the remainder theorem? F of x is the polynomial, it is divided by x minus 2, then the remainder is f of 2. How we can get this 2? Simply have to find the 0 of the polynomial of x minus 2. Okay, so x equal to 2. So by the remainder theorem we got remainder is 8. Okay, now actual division. Verify it. Is it right or wrong? With the help of actual division. Actual division. What is actual division? F of x. That means you arrange all the terms with respect to their degrees in descending order. X power 4. Next one, x cube term. Do you have an x cube term? No. Let us take 0. Next one, x square term. Do you have x square term? Yes. What is that? Minus 3x square. Next one, x term. Do you have x term? No. Let us take 0. 0x. This is 0x cube. Next, last one is constant. So if you don't have any terms between them, you take simply 0 into x cube. 0 into x cube means 0. 0 into x means 0. Okay, so 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. So with the help of their degrees, you arrange, they are in descending order. Okay, now you divide with x minus 2. Okay, so how to divide? Already explained it. You take first term of the divisor, first term of dividend x power 4 by first term of divisor x. x power 4 by x equal to x cube. Okay, first term of the dividend x power 4, first term of the divisor x power 4 by x equal to x cube. That x cube is known as first term of the quotient, first term of the quotient. So x cube into x power 4, okay, minus 2 into x cube minus 2x cube. Which operation can you apply here? Subtraction. That means you change the second expression signs. Minus x power 4 plus x power 4, it becomes minus x power 4. Minus 2x cube, it becomes plus 2x cube. Okay, x power 4 minus x power 4 cancel. That means 0. Remaining plus 2 plus 0. That means 2 plus 0, 2. 2x cube. Now you bring down next term. What is that? Minus 3x square. Minus 3x square. So now this is the dividend. Okay, now we divide this 2x cube by x. Okay, so 2x cube by x. Okay, 2x cube by x, that equal to 2x square. That equal to 2x square. We got the second term of the quotient. What is that? Plus 2x square. So 2x square into x, 2x cube. Next one, minus 2 into plus 2, that equal to minus 4 x square. Which operation can you apply here? Here we apply subtraction. So this is minus 2, this is plus 4. You change the second expression signs. That means minus plus 2x cube becomes minus 2x cube. Minus 4x square becomes plus 4x square. 2x cube cancel. Because 2 minus 2, 0. Remaining plus 4 minus 3, that equal to 1. 1x square. By, now you bring down next term, 0 into x. Okay, so now as well as you continue the process, x square by x, that equal to x plus x. Okay, that is the next term of the quotient. X into x square. Okay, minus 2 into x minus 2x. Now the second expression signs will be changed. That means minus x square plus 2x, because in normal division or in division of polynomials, okay, which operation can you apply here? Subtraction. So this is the subtraction. So you change the second expression signs. That means this is minus plus x square, it becomes minus x square. Minus 2x plus 2x. Okay, x square minus x square cancel, remaining plus 2x. Okay, now you bring down next term. What is that? Plus 4. Okay, as well as you continue the process. First term 2x by x, that equal to 2. That equal to 2. So 2 into x, 2x. Okay, minus 2 into plus 2, that equal to minus 2. Okay, which operation can you apply here? Subtraction. That means you change the second expression signs. Minus 2x becomes plus 2x becomes minus 2x. Minus 4 becomes plus 4. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 plus 4, 8. Okay, what is the remainder here? Remainder equal to 8. Okay, we verified it. With the help of the remainder theorem, we got 8 is the remainder. With the help of the actual division, you get the same remainder once again. That means they are verified. Okay, so both methods we got same remainder. You got a same remainder. With the help of the remainder theorem, you got 8 as the remainder. With the help of actual division, you got same remainder 8. So by both methods, we got same remainder.